Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to biology class. Today my topic is in ninth class, second chapter, that is plant tissues. That is the topic name. See, topic name is plant tissues. Before going to my topic, I am asking a few questions. Do you know, children, which organisms provides food for us? Which organisms provides food for us? Plants. Plants are the organisms which provides food for us. There is no plants, there is no food material. It is possible only through the plants. Food is produced by plants only. Remember it. Do you know, children, why leaves are green in color? Leaves are green in color because of chlorophyll pigments. Chlorophyll pigments. That is also very most important. By which process plants making food material? Photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis means plants preparing food material with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll. By using sunlight as energy source, plants prepares food material. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means sunlight, synthesis means preparing or produced or formed. Simply remember it, plants preparing food material by the process is called photosynthesis. These all questions are related to plants. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe. So the term plant, these all are related points belongs to the plants. Plant has different parts like root, stem, flower, leaf, fruits, etc. These are the different parts which are present in the plants. See, roots absorb water. Stem helps in support for their standing. Leaves, it helps in preparing food material. Fruit which stores food material. Flower, it is one of the reproductive part in the plants. Seeds, it helps in germination of the plants. New plants will arise from seeds only. So these are the different types of parts of plants and their functions. Okay, that is belongs to plants. What is tissue? What's the meaning of tissue? Who introduced the term tissue? Let us see. See, the term tissue was introduced by Xavier Bechet. Xavier Bechet. He was the first anatomist who studies about tissues of plants. He worked more on plant tissues. So, he was the father of histology. What is the term histology again? The study of tissues are called as a histology. See once, the study of tissues are called histology. Who is the father of histologist here? Father of histologist is none other than Xavier Bichet. That is the introduction of tissue. What is the definition of tissue? See, tissue. Group of cells, similar in structure, similar in function. Group of cells, similar in structure, similar in functions are called tissues. Okay, see here, different types of cells are there. Group of cells, same cells, sometimes different cells, but here group of cells similar in structure. Structure is same. Here cell is structure is same. Here cell structure is same. All cells are in similar in structure. They perform same function. They perform same function. For example, nerve cells are there. Nerve cells. What is the main function of nerve cell? It helps in transferring the messages from one place to another place. Okay. Group of cells are present in brain consists nearly 100 billions of neurons are present. 100 billions of neurons are present. These all are similar in structure. Function also similar. It helps in transferring the messages from brain to remaining parts of our body. Okay. That is one example in animal tissues. What about plant tissues? Take one example. For example, many tissues are present here. Vascular tissue is there. Vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. Vascular tissues contains xylem and phloem. Later we will discuss in detail. This is one example only. Xylem and phloem, two tissues are present. Xylem always helps in transportation of water and minerals. Many cells are there, group of cells. Similar structure is same. It performs similar function. What is the function? This tissue helps in transportation of water and minerals in the plants. That is one of the example in plant tissues. Okay. Once again, what is tissue? Group of cells similar in structure, same structure, and perform similar function, same work, same functioning. That is called tissue. In plants, there are 4 kinds of tissues are present. It was given by Nageli, he is one of the scientists. Nageli classified the plant tissues 4 kinds. The first one is meristematic tissue. See, meristematic tissue. Second one is ground tissue. Third one is dermal tissue. Fourth one is vascular tissue. Once again, first one meristematic tissue. Second one ground tissue. Third one dermal tissue. Fourth one vascular tissue. These are 4 kinds of tissues dividing by Nageli is the scientist. Okay. These are four kinds of tissues are present in plants. What are the main functions of those tissues? See, first one, meristematic tissue. See here once. Meristematic tissues are continuously dividing tissues. Why these cells are dividing continuously? Which helps in growth of the plant. What is the first one? Meristematic tissues which helps in continuously dividing in the plants. These tissues are helps in growth of the plants. This is the first one. Second one, ground tissue. See here, ground tissue. This ground tissue helps in bulk of the plant body and packaging of the tissues. See, bulk means more amount of tissues present in the plants. That is the bulk of the plant tissues. These tissues helps in formation of bulk of the tissues, a plant body. And second one is helps in packaging of tissues. Pack. It helps in packing of the tissues. That is the second one, ground tissues. Coming to third one. What is third one? See here. Dermal tissue. What is dermal tissue? Dermal tissue is outer covering of the tissue of the plant body. It is the outer covering of the tissues which helps in protection of the inner parts of the plants. That is third one. Dermal tissue means outer covering of the plant body. Coming to last one, that is vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. This vascular tissue helps in transportation of materials. Sir, what type of materials are transported? Water, minerals and food materials. These are the four kinds of tissues in the plant. Okay, this is a topic. Once again, who introduced the term tissue? Xavier Bichet. The study of tissues are called as histology. Who is the father of histologist? Xavier Bichet. What is a tissue? Group of cells similar in structure and perform similar in functions is called tissue. What are the four kinds of tissues in plants? First one, meristematic tissue. Second one, ground tissue. Third one, dermal tissue. Fourth one, vascular tissue. These are the very most important tissues present in the plants. Thank you. Thank you so much.